Thank you. I get the shotgun.
Oh, I remember now. The strat, just the jump non-stop and shoot him.
Oh, that is actually the strat. You are right.
I remember. Oh my god, it's all coming back to me. Oh, we gotta level up
Oh,
shit.
the guns upgrade. That's right. I
Oh god.
forgot the guns upgrade.
You're not gonna believe it. I almost jumped off the map.
That's.
It,
I'm guessing you almost got flipped into the fire too.
no,
If I had to take a
the
guess.
flipped into the fire is what I almost did.
Yep, that makes sense. Dude, I'm fucking puppy guarding these guys. Hold R2.
Oh yeah, wait, I know. I didn't even look at that thing.
Holy. Is this how this game ran on the PS2?
I could not tell you, to be honest.
You know, I think we have a PS2. Maybe I just did not care as a kid.
I feel like it's that.
Yeah, I mean that's probably that.
Because this reminds... I think you'd be surprised if you went back and played Star Wars Battlefront 2.
Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't realize we have an XP meter at the top.
That challenge was easy as hell.
Dude, that was fucking nothing.
Okay. You killed... okay, you killed so much more than me. I killed like the 17 elites.
All right, you can use the shotgun.
Oh no, you can use a shotgun. I like the pistols. Who is? I like how they have someone named Juanita, and then she's just like, "Oh, who opened up a window?" Like, is this supposed to be a kid's game?
See, you're the one making it weird.
Okay.
They can't just name a loud woman Juanita. This is what the woke. This is what the woke. This is actually what the woke took from us.
They just. I. Damn. Oh, hey, I found
Dude, the
health.
shotgun's cracked.
Level it up a shit ton.
I'm way ahead of you, brother.
I don't even know.
Oh.
We unlocked a grenade launcher at some point.
Yeah, we started. I was using that for a bit, but
Okay.
it has like 6 bullets. It's like cool.
God, Valorant can take a note. How the fuck do you reload?
You don't.
I'm just
You got to
completely
get some ammo.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, are you just resigned to meleeing?
Apparently.
Because I also used up all that ammo. I'm gonna be dead ass with you.
I thought I picked some up. Slingshot? Didn't matter.
Alright, let's see this kill count. Yep.
Okay.
Hey, that's not bad. That's not bad.
You went up 5 kills, I went up like double. Who's the real
Yeah,
leader?
no, if you keep that pace up, dude, you're gonna be the Quasar or whatever that guy's name is.
Quasar Executioner, Death Lord of the Eighth.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, let's go buy that gun.
I don't know why I keep on thinking that there's a sprint button. Okay. I mean, this is a support weapon.
I mean, we'll buy it because we're gonna buy every weapon, but that is some baby shit.
I'm trying to 100% the game. Can you look to see how
Can
many?
I get some water quick?
Yeah.
Be back. Oh yeah, ignore the mouse.
Up to Catacrom 4. Cody, you ever played this game?
Uh, how old is it?
What?
It was on the PS2, so
No, I only had a
15.
PS. I only had a PS1. I didn't have a PS2.
Oh, hipster.
Dude, I love this beautiful lady. What's her name?
Juanita.
Oh, this is Juanita.
Yeah. Dude, they even gave her a little mole above her lip.
That's
When
they were
she
cooking.
turns.
I know, I love them all. They were cooking. Hey,
Oh,
get the thank you.
Damn, they predicted the Me Too movement as well.
They predicted workplace sexual harassment.
I like how they just made this robot busty. A busty Latina.
BBL, baby.
A bleeder.
Damn, why'd she say that like a slur? Oh my god.
What?
Right when we buy this shitty item, we get a new one.
I think that's because I think it's because we bought the one.
That's probably true. Oh my god, give me that back right now.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Wait, we carry over ammo?
Wait, actually?
Yeah, dude, we don't have any ammo on the fucking... You're the only one with ammo right now.
Here, I can Don't worry, I got you, man. Wait, there's ammo.
Oh, I died.
All I have to do is not die for 2 seconds. Okay.
Dinked.
Oh shit, I ran out of ammo.
Well, hit it. You got a wrench.
I was gonna switch weapons.
Okay, we suck.
Ooh.
Why
Oh, we
you
start from the
ran back
beginning?
to we start with no. Okay, we can buy ammo. We can buy ammo.
Yeah, let's max out the ammo. I was trying to see the... I don't think I can... Oh, shit. Okay, I remember that, actually.
God, these guys hit.
Okay, I can just click RT to switch it, right? Which one is it?
Watch that.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
Alright,
Holy.
first major boss defeated. Dude, this guy sounds so... It's gonna kill me. Oh, wait. EMP.
I don't think we can jump. Oh, dude, you're a genius. Holy. Actual smart thing you said.
I remember that from
Actual
back in the day.
smart thing.
Yo.
That was it?
This has to be... I think we just progress, right? No,
Okay, that makes... I was like, damn, dude.
that was
This level.
that was the intern's level.
I don't remember the levels being like a minute long. Is this the power of not being a fucking idiot?
Well, I don't remember them being like 3 minutes long, and when you die halfway through one.
Yeah, let's get some fucking ammo. How do these Omega mods work? Oh, yes.
Oh. Damn, you remember a lot about this game.
Okay, we don't have any Omega mods. Yeah, I want some... Wait.
I don't think we have
I
enough.
thought we...
Are we already...
I guess we already equipped it. Oh, this one's already okay. This one's already got all the Omega weapon mods or the Alpha mods. Get mogged. All right. Okay. Sorry.
Wait. Switch to the pistols. I think you can.
I don't. Well, you're equipping the wrench right now.
Oh shit. Okay, I'm dumb.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't remember that. That's a wild decision.
What?
I kind of respect it.
Why would that be a decision? Oh, there's a little.
Yeah, I see that. You do that, I'll protect us. This video sucks.
Dude, no. People on Reddit and Truth Social have been asking how to play Ratchet Deadlocked.
Yeah, they need someone to poorly explain it and understand it for them. 30 minutes into a video.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
What is it? So it's right click. How do you go to the EMP?
Yeah, left on the D-pad.
Left on the D-pad. Damn. All right. It only took us, a little bit, but we're kind of cooking right now. All right. I think zombies are gonna come.
Me?
Ow.
I didn't do that.
Oh shit. I think we can destroy this ship.
I didn't want to waste my ammo.
I'm gonna kill it. God, this game. These little suits remind me of Gears of War. I also respect that. Hasn't Clank been broken in some of the games?
Dude, I don't fucking know, man.
I don't know. I could be making that up. Like, I'm just thinking there's no reason for Clank not to have a helmet.
Yeah, he's got to show off his fucking drip.
Clank was the first Mogger.
He's a fucking clanker.
Oh, shit. I do like that there is just zombies on this level.
It gets me to farm my shotgun XP. Oh, Healy thingy. One sec, I need this healing.
I got shot by a big frick. Oh god, I'm coming.
I need this healing. Okay, that was all. Oh shit. He's using the utility.
Yeah. This is gonna come in handy when we have the.
Go, go, go! Dude, I don't think these things stop spawning.
Oh, yeah,
I think we gotta run through.
That's good because I ran out.
Oh yeah, they're throwing them over here. Jump towards.
My slingshot. Oh shit.
Okay. Oh, we gotta equip it.
So you click square.
Oh. God damn it.
These guys are really here. Oh.
Oh shit! I didn't realize there was one still alive.
What else? Okay. Square. Up. Oh shit! That's.
Oh, only one of. Okay, only one of us gets the slingshot at once. I think it's the problem.
Okay, wait. So. You click it. How do you use it? Do I just?
You don't even have to aim at it. Just jump and then hit R1.
Oh,
R1.
R1.
Well, you have to hit the button that it said to hit the button.
I did before, but I didn't realize that you had it out. Okay. I think this is. Do you want to jump first?
Is there another one? Oh, there is.
Wait, actually, I got it.
You got it out, so just do it. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Are we about to get in a mech? Let's go.
Yeah, that's about what I expected.
I walk so you can fly.
Yeah, you're just support build.